Well, would you look at that? We made it to Friday, March the 6th. My name is Tom Rigsby. This is your ReadyCorps Daily Brief. Today, when headlines spike, steady leadership matters more than speculation. We'll get there in just a minute. First, let's get you the latest from the RISAT team and the Daily Sit Rep.
This is your AMCON Daily Sit Rep for March the 6th, 2026. Up first today, tensions are escalating following the killing of Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, by U.S. and Israeli forces. Iran-linked Telegram channels affiliated with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps are calling for jihad across Shia communities worldwide, urging attacks on embassies and assets in cities including London, Berlin, Paris, and Toronto. The UK has authorized the US to use the Diego Garcia base for defensive operations against Iranian weapons facilities, a move that has stirred controversy. Heightened security measures are expected around embassies and consulates in these cities. Travel disruptions and increased screening for Middle Eastern destinations may also occur as tensions remain high. In other news, Iran is testing America's critical infrastructure defense through coordinated cyber operations. Groups aligned with the IRGC are actively mapping and infiltrating industrial control systems in the U.S., targeting sectors such as defense, aviation, and energy. These cyber attacks aim to disrupt crucial services and infrastructure, marking a real-time stress test for U.S. Homeland Security agencies. Critical infrastructure operators are advised to isolate vulnerable systems, audit contractor access, and monitor for unusual network activity to mitigate these cyber threats. Turning to domestic preparedness, there is a growing movement of citizens turning to personal gardening to address food insecurity amid fragile supply chains. This trend highlights the importance of garden operational security, including pest management and strategic planning to protect crops. Gardeners are encouraged to research local pests, establish beneficial insect habitats, and connect with community resources to improve resilience against possible food shortages. Weather-wise, severe weather poses a significant risk as the spring storm season begins early in the U.S. Severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds, and potential tornadoes are expected from Texas through the Midwest, especially in Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. Flash flooding is also a concern, with heavy rains predicted in parts of the plains and Midwest. Residents in these areas should stay alert, review weather emergency plans, and prepare for rapidly changing conditions. Finally, nationwide civil unrest continues to be a concern with multiple ongoing protests. Situational awareness remains crucial for those in or near protest areas, particularly following recent violent incidents involving ICE officers. Members are urged to stay vigilant, avoid high-risk areas when possible, know their exits, and report suspicious activities to local authorities and the RISAT team. Looking ahead, several member events are scheduled over the coming weeks. Notably, the Southeast Florida teams will host their monthly meetup on March 14th in Sunrise, Florida, discussing this month's theme of security and defense. Members interested in community engagement and training opportunities should consider attending. More information on these and other events is available on the American Contingency Members Only website. This concludes today's briefing. Members can access the American Contingency Members Only site to get the full report and more in-depth analysis of today's stories, along with practical preparedness tips, training opportunities, and resources to help you, your family, and your neighborhood stay crisis ready.
This week we've talked about U.S. operations against Iran, global volatility, and the shift to an elevated alert status. But here's the deeper point. Global events don't change your mission. Your mission is your household. Today, let's anchor this week with 5 rules for steady leadership when conditions feel dynamic. So here they are, 5 rules to stay ready under elevated conditions. Number 1, protect your household, not the internet. You are not responsible for solving geopolitics. You are responsible for your own family. Number 2, verify systems, don't expand them. Check communications, check med kits, review evacuation considerations. Don't panic buy. Number 3, reduce your rumor intake. Choose 1 or 2 reliable information sources, like the Daily Sit Rep from the RISAT team, and rely on those. Limit your social media doom scrolling. Number 4, maintain your routine. Eat normally, sleep normally, work normally. Stability inside your home is strength. And number 5, model calm. Your children, coworkers, neighbors, they all take emotional cues from you. Calm is contagious. Threat levels change. Discipline does not. Preparedness is about systems, not headlines. And systems work best when leadership is steady. So today I want you to limit your news intake to 2 scheduled check-ins and spend the rest of your energy on your normal responsibilities. And if your normal responsibilities have been checking the news, yeah, find something else. Tomorrow is Scenario Saturday. We'll walk through what happens when rumors spike locally and how disciplined families respond differently. Thanks for listening to the ReadyCorps Daily Brief today. I appreciate it. If you're already a member, make sure to check out today's resources on the members-only platform or on your phone apps. And if you're not a member yet, you can be. Just visit ReadyCorps.net to join the network and start building your resilience today. I'm Tom Rigsby. Stay alert, stay ready, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.